Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to send a connection message on LinkedIn using your mobile device. First, open LinkedIn app on your mobile device. Tap the search bar at the top and type the name of the person you want to connect with. Once you find them, tap on their profile to open it. On the profile page, you'll see a connect button. Instead of tapping it directly, tap on the three dots next to it. Go ahead and tap on personalized invite. This is where you can write your personalized connection message. After typing your message, tap on connect and your personalized connection request is on its way. And that's it. Now you know how to send a personalized message on LinkedIn. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our tech tutorials. Thank you so much and I'll see you guys next time.